Welcome to this short video on the BuilderMT Dynamics NAV integration. My name is Amanda and I will be presenting to you our accounting integration with BuilderMT. Dynamics NAV is a full enterprise resource planning package that covers the following functional areas: financial management, sales and marketing, purchasing, warehouse management, manufacturing, jobs, resource planning, and human resources. Western also offers the ability to custom modify any areas of the software for your business needs. The BuilderMT integration. How do these pieces of software communicate? Utilizing a synchronization functionality via an API, data is automatically shared between both databases. You no longer have to worry that your data is out of sync with either piece of software. Company structure options. In NAV, we have the flexibility of different company structure setup options. One option, you can set up multiple companies inside of one database, meaning that you're going to have one chart of accounts, one vendor table, and other shared tables, while maintaining the ability to run a financial report on each of your individual entities. Western has also developed the functionality to do intercompany funding, allowing the due to and due from this type of company setup. Another option is to set up individual companies where the data is not shared from one company to another. So let's take a look inside of NAV. When you first log into NAV, you will see you're logged into your role center, which is assigned to each user. My role center is a building project manager. Looking on the left, you will see this is very much like Microsoft products because I can expand and collapse each of these folders to get to the data I'm looking for. I also have in my role center icons that are easily accessible by pointing and clicking to open up the same data information. I can set up bar graphs and charts over here, and I can also connect my Outlook down here in the bottom right hand corner. Also, if I'm trying to get to data and I don't know where it is on my role center or on this blue menu over here, I can simply type in the top right hand corner and bring up the same information by clicking on it. All three of these different ways will take me to the areas that I need. So first we're going to take a look at a list of jobs. This is the list view. It looks just like Excel with all the different columns that you can spread and hide and close. I am basically clicking on the first piece of data here. This is the first job I'm looking at here. So if I click on this job, this is lot number 15. Looking over to the right, I have some fact boxes. These fact boxes give me a higher level of detail of what's going on within my job before I have to even drill and point and click. So for example, on Antelope Hill lot number 15, I can click on my budget by pointing and clicking here, and it opens a list screen of all my different planning lines for my budget. Escape is the way to close out your windows and come back. If I want to look at commitment, those are my purchase orders that have come over from WMS or BuilderMT. These are each of the individual purchase orders. If you then want to take a look at details within inside of these, you can also navigate to them. So for example here, my actual, these are invoices that have come over. So I've got posted purchase invoice. Let's navigate on one of these invoices all the way down to the GL accounts that it touched when it posted. You can point and click on navigate here, and this is going to open a screen that is going to show you the details about that job. That job has one posted purchase invoice. I can click on that to print it. If I want to see the general ledger entries that it touched, I point and click on the number 2 of the records, and it will open up the screen behind here, and it will show me all of the individual GL accounts that were debited and credited during this transaction. So you can see with the simple point and click of a button, all of your transactions are easy to get to within the database. Now, how do we report on all this data? Let's take a minute and talk about what we call Jet Reports, and this is Jet Reports Enterprise. Jet Report Enterprise is a piece of software that we sell at the same time we sell this integration package, and what it gives you the ability to do is take different connectors from Jet Reports and connect them with 3 different data sources: Dynamics NAV, BuilderMT, and Sales Simplicity. That's one prime example. We pull that data into one consolidated database, and we call that cubes. We cube it, and then we slice it and dice it into the specific reports you need. Included in this package are 27 standard reports that we've designed for you. that produce JET reports through Microsoft Excel. They're Excel-based reports that are installed with each of these installations, and we can actually modify any of these reports that you require. So let's take a look at a couple of the reports. I'm going to pull up some general ledger sample reports. Again, all of these are Excel-based, so you can send them to anybody in your company that they need to, and they can actually point and click on the different fields, and it'll rearrange their graphs accordingly to what they've pointed to. This is an example of key performance metrics, profit and loss statement, income statement by month, profit and loss variance by community, balance sheets, actual budget versus year to date. Then we've got accounts payable reports. We've got improved invoice registers. We've got vendor insurance. We track vendor insurance, accounts payable detail. In the job costing area, we have job cost summaries, job cost variances, the job cost detail, and the vendor insurance summary. These are just a sample of some of the reports you can get out of the system. So if you have any questions regarding Microsoft Dynamics NAV, give us a call or contact us at sales@westerncomputer.com. Thanks and have a great day.